टेंशन भी पहली बार परफॉर्म करते हुए फटी नहीं थोड़ी सी?
बहुत बुरी तरह से फटी, मेरी रोज फटती है। मेरे हर इवेंट में आई हैव टू फील व्हाट आई हैव टू फील। हम लोग डरते थे bro।
यस, सतवा
के लोग आते थे ना हमारे प्रॉम पे, अल्लाह से लेजल
ब्रो, मैं आता था bro। सारे बाहर बैठे होते थे,
अरे
याद है स्टेट
ताल 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 ताल, अरे भागो। मैं ताल में भाग जाता था, मतलब ताल से ताल नहीं मिलानी है,
नहीं मिला नहीं।
भागो। Then I fell in love with someone and then I moved.
Seriously?
Then I didn't marry her. Somebody else. Same girl I proposed in front of 5,000 people.
करेक्ट, मैं वही पूछ रहा था, वही थी कि दूसरी थी?
वही थी।
अच्छा।
And
Okay.
उसके बाद जो मेरी जिंदगी अजाब हुई है, I never thought I would be doing stand-up comedy on Zoom. I've hosted weddings, hilarious. पंडित जी का चौथे फेरे पे इंटरनेट उड़ गया, उसका बाप बोल रहा है नितिन आप कुछ करो, आप कुछ करो। ऐसे यार फेरों के बीच में कॉमेडी कैसे करूं, बट किया मैंने।
दिल्ली का लौंडा दुबई में मच मच मचा रहा है धूम, दिल से पूछ रहा है सवाल, सबसे झूम बराबर झूम। ये मस्ती का खुलेगा यहाँ पिटारा, जो भी आएगा यहाँ सितारा, जश्न का बजेगा यहाँ नगाड़ा, टाइम आउट विद अंकित। टिप टिप टैप टप 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 टप, कॉफी का कप और गपशप लाइट चली, एक्शन हुआ, फिर मस्ती मस्ती का उड़ा धुआं, कोई केंचो कोई वनक्कम कोई मरहबा बल्ले, अरे आई सेट पर जब हबीबी दिल विल सभी के जल्ले। मस्ती का खुलेगा यहाँ पिटारा, जो भी आएगा यहाँ सितारा, जश्न का बजेगा यहाँ नगाड़ा, टाइम आउट विद अंकित। दिल्ली का लौंडा दुबई में मच मच मचा रहा है धूम, दिल से पूछ रहा है सवाल, सबसे झूम बराबर झूम। ये
चले, शो भी शूट करना है यार। तो जब पहली बारी, सो लाफ फैक्ट्री इज व्हाट, यूएस?
यूएस या
हाउ वाज, तो गोरे ज्यादा थे या कैसा क्राउड कैसा था?
सारे गोरे थे,
सारे गोरे थे?
हाँ सारे गोरे थे।
English
बट आई
में
वाज रेडी बिकॉज दुबई गिव्स यू दैट ऑडियंस ना। लाइट ऑन था ना पहले, हाँ ठीक है सर। लाइक द होल सेट आई डू ऑन लाइक डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प राइट नाउ, व्हिच इज proper like hello everybody, how are you doing, I'm so happy to be here, Ankit is the best podcaster in the world, he's way better than China.
Yeah, we're good. At your convenience. We are back again. We are back again. We are back again. बहुत पता है मजा आने वाला है। Honest to God. यूजुअली बोलते हैं ना कि कंटेंट दिखाओ, यूएई से कंटेंट दिखाओ। मैं पूरी कंटेंट की दुकान ले आया हूँ आज हमने। वी हैव नितिन मेरानी, आवर वेरी ओन दुबई बॉय, who's made it, who's making it, who will be there to shine bright. Right now I'm very happy. You know me, I love pushing content from here. Our boy has lived here, he's making it big in Bollywood, and there he is.
Thank you very much, buddy. I'm so glad we're doing this. I would have
We would
shaken your hands, but I'll WhatsApp you the handshake.
Yeah. Boom.
We're having a long distance relationship. Long distance podcast कभी सुना है? Actually, that's what you should call it. Long distance podcast.
Bro, ये टेबल तो फिर भी इतनी बड़ी नहीं है यार। मैं तो I was
This is the first supper.
Yeah.
In Silicon Oasis. But thank you so much for having me, man. And thank you. It's been amazing, yaar. Abhi I just was shooting for something else, and I came here and we were just talking about how Dubai is such a beautiful, beautiful city. The UAE, hats off to the UAE, man. The way they always just take care of everybody and just nurture so much.
Yeah.
And so I'm very happy.
Thank you for making time for Time Out, brother. And on short notice that too, on especially a Saturday evening. क्या plan था वैसे आज का?
कुछ नहीं, I told you I was shooting something for IFA, and that's what I was here for. So, and we've been chatting for so long.
Yeah.
So यार, one thing I've decided in 2025 is that don't procrastinate.
Yeah.
Just go for it.
Go for it.
तो मेरे को मौका मिला, and luckily you were also available.
Yeah.
और parking was also free. So actually that's the main thing. You're waiting till हाँ अभी free हो गई.
You know parking prices बढ़ गए right?
अरे यार क्या बोलूँ मैं, पार्किंग के प्राइसेस बढ़ गए, गाड़ियों के प्राइसेस कम हो गए, तो इट्स there was a time you won't believe. I was thinking of buying one of those parking lots
those Patan parking lots.
because I
Yes.
found out, bro. You know how much money they've made?
Yeah.
2 dirhams behind Sin Punjab per hour. Bro, there was a business idea I missed out on. अभी वो I'm in touch with one of the Pathans.
क्या?
वो था भाई हमें अभी पार्किंग छोड़ दिया, अभी हम इन्वेस्टर अभी हम प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करता है.
Yeah. वो डेवलपर बना होगा थोड़े जल्द में तो देख.
अभी हम खुद का पार्किंग लॉट बनाएगा, खुद उधर खड़ा होएगा. लिटरली अभी हम दूसरे का नहीं, हम अपना पार्किंग में वॉचमैन बनेगा.
You know something like this. Yeah, I swear only a Dubai boy can say. I'm not. How long you've been here?
हाँ
कितना टाइम हो गया यहाँ पे?
मेरे को यार, I grew up here. At least I'm what 47 now. So
What?
Yeah, 47.
Seriously?
47 yeah. 1978.
मैं तब से ब्रो कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को सर बोलना चाहिए. क्या हो गया, कैसी बातें कर रहे
बात
हैं
करो मेरे. ये लो ब्लैंक चेक, छोड़ दो मेरी बेटी का पीछा.
भाई? सीरियसली यू नो वे क्लोज टू लुकिंग लाइक
38 मिलता है मुझे.
हाँ.
I normally get 38.
क्या है ये? बट वील गेट टू दुबई एंड एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल योर ग्रोइंग अप एंड ऑल दैट, बट ये क्या सीन है ब्रो?
Yeah, I don't know यार. Touchwood, good jeans, good shorts.
नहीं,
good
but
undies.
okay, given the line or
Yeah.
given the line you're in also, I mean, one should, I mean, I know I've gained about 10 kilos and I'm struggling again.
Which is now.
Yeah.
It's like 15 minutes. इसलिए हम लोग 7 up पी रहे. Cheers.
Cheers. But seriously, you put in some effort to...
नहीं bro, I'll be very honest with you. I think, and I can say this very openly and very confidently. When I started doing comedy and following my passion, bro, something changes in your body. Like I'll try to find those photos, but if I show you photos when I was working, I had a full 9 to 5 job. I tried every job you can think of, bro. हर industry में घुस के मैंने try किया. I used to look 38 then when I was 22.
Yeah.
Then I started doing, and touchwood, some aging backwards started happening.
But awesome,
And
kudos.
here I am,
Yeah, kudos to you.
in all my glory.
And looking
Wearing
sharp,
a-
looking dapper.
This is thanks to Varoin Marwa. Shout out to Varoin Marwa, one of my favorite designers in Dubai. Again,
Yeah.
you must get him on your podcast.
I will. I want to
Such
give
a
you- yeah.
amazing success story.
I
as
will.
well.
I would love to get him on the show. We are all about content here.
Yeah.
But again, I mean, kudos to you for looking the way you are. Honestly, no jokes over there. But ठीक है, ये अभी तो यहाँ पे you've been about what 20 साल तो हो गए होंगे, नहीं 15
नहीं
20
यार,
के आसपास.
नहीं और ज्यादा यार. At least 38 years तो हो गए अभी. 10 साल.
38. कौन से स्कूल में था?
इंडियन हाई स्कूल 95 96. और कौन सी स्कूल में जाऊंगा मैं?
Nice. Hello Indian.
हाई स्कूल एक ही था.
हाँ. और कॉलेज का यहाँ से इंडिया से.
कॉलेज यार कोशिश की बहुत सारी,
हाँ.
हो नहीं पाई.
अब no,
I supported a lot of colleges. मतलब मैंने पैसे देता था, जाता नहीं था. I'm into supporting colleges and gyms.
हाँ.
उनका घर चलता रहेगा. हमें कुछ नहीं लिया. हमें
भाई सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है.
नेकी कर, जिम में डाल.
कुएं में नहीं जिम में डाल.
Yeah, that's-
गुड वालो, लवली, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. जब स्कूल खत्म कर लिया तो काम पे कब लगा फिर?
काम पे बहुत जल्दी लग गया. काम को तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल. माय फर्स्ट जॉब. हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू लिव्ड इन दुबई फॉर?
I've been like what, 28.
Okay. My first job was in a place called Video 4000. It was a video library in Meena Bazaar.
हाँ, मीना बाजार.
And I loved my job. मैं जाके दुकान खोलता था, बंद करता था, एंड पूरा दिन मूवीज देखता था. पूरा दिन. मैंने भाई साहब ऐसी ऐसी मूवी देखी है जो एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करती. एंड आई रिमेंबर फनी इंसिडेंट. वन डे somebody called me up and she said आपके पास वो पिक्चर है मेरी बीवी की शादी.
What the hell?
I used to, what used to happen is my friends knew that I was working at Video 4000. तो वो ना कॉल करके प्रैंक कॉल्स करते थे कि ये पिक्चर है, वो गंदी वाली, ये है क्या, कि भाग आंधी आई,
समझ गया.
तू झुक में. अरे यार मतलब, सो वन लेडी कॉल्ड, वो पिक्चर है. तो आई लाइक क्या है, व्हाटएवर. सो आई
मजे ले
started
रहे.
shouting at her. It's like then she came to the shop and she actually took out the film. It was there, मेरी बीवी की शादी. There's a movie called मुर्दे की जान खतरे में. Google it.
Good lord, मेरे को नहीं पता यार ये.
हाँ,
And I watch everything.
तो मैंने सब देखा वहाँ पे. मैंने every day I used to go, I used to be so happy opening the shop, shutter ऊपर नीचे करता था.
हाँ.
ऊपर नीचे नहीं.
कितने, how old do you think you were at this time?
यार I started working very early. I think I started working at I'm 16. हाँ, करते रहता था मैं. I used to sell milk samples at Lulu Center. मार्मम मिल्क, वो प्रमोशन जो होते थे लैम्सी पे हुआ करता था, लुलू एंड लैम्सी. And most embarrassing moments of my life to ask people, milk.
Yeah.
But full circle, bro. God has been kind. God has been so kind because I hosted a show called Creda and Hatcon. And Mr. Yusuf from Lulu,
Of course.
he recognized me. He's like, where have I seen you?
No way.
And I said, I was doing this. He's like, I knew it. I said, yeah, how it is this? Well, no, this is what. Then he called the other guy and he told him, and he said, wait. And he gave me the ear. He's like, you were there. I remember, young guy. I said, oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a sharp man.
He's a very sharp, very nice
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
And he's actually a lot of fun, yeah.
Is
You
it?
should try to bring it.
Yeah, we're in touch.
yeah.
Time lag raha hai aate hue, but we'll get there. Yeah.
He'll get to you, don't worry. Before you can get to Lulu will come to you.
Correct.
Eventually.
Yeah.
सारे Lulu खोलते रहेंगे.
तो कब ये आइडिया कब पता चला कि this is, I mean, when did you, because a lot of people struggle with this.
Yeah.
First of all, before we get there, what about the parents? Your parents, I'm assuming.
Yeah, my parents were, to be honest, they really wanted me to just be successful, just make money. I'm the fifth generation. I don't know if you know about the whole fifth generation thing. So fifth generation के बच्चे जो भी होते हैं वो हमेशा they break the family curse of whatever the family has been doing for so many years. So let's say if your family has been into business of certain kind, a fifth generation child will be born who will become a choreographer
Okay.
and will be successful at it. But that he has to go through the कि भाई क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, क्या है. So I'm the fifth generation. So I've now sort of broken the curse and मैं creative बंदा था. I couldn't sort of explain what I was feeling.
Yeah.
But I was dyslexic while growing up, which I found out very late in life.
Yeah.
मैं अजीब अलग था. मैं अलग था as a child. And I think at the same time they were quite okay with it, but not okay because when I started doing stand-up comedy in Dubai, bro, there was nobody doing stand-up.
I'll tell you what, I don't, obviously you're not going to remember this. We've met once before.
We have.
Long ago on Rooftop.
Rooftop, yeah.
Bardove wala.
That was
Correct.
one of my best shows. I performed for 3 hours.
Yeah. So one of your cousins.
I think so.
यार एक तो ना ये सिंधी राइट भाई यू नो मेरा एक दोस्त है राहुल हाँ आधा बर्दुबई उसका कजन है तो मेरे को भरोसा उठ चुका है उसमें पता है कि तो आई रिमेंबर
दुबई में सब cousins हैं until you want entry in a club.
Yeah, that's very
That's
true.
it. That's where the cousins goes away.
Yeah.
But bro, we are Sindhi. We have family on the moon also, yeah.
So, but I remember you from then.
Oh, wow. Great show you spoke about because I remember I really enjoyed that show. It was a sold out show.
Yeah.
And Mr. Bambani told me also.
Yeah.
See, Nitin, पता नहीं ticket बिकेगी नहीं बिकेगी. And I was like, ठीक है आप देख लो जो भी. I went there. Mr. Bambani had packed the place to capacity. He put a screen near the pool also. And it was... I remember performing for 3 hours because we
Yeah.
इतना मजा आया.
Yeah.
In the front row, I was doing my crowd work and all.
Yes, I remember.
That's a good memory. So you watched a good.
Yeah, so that's how you know one resonates with you because क्या होता है ना the place where we live in it's the most beautiful place on earth,
जी.
right? And you
Agreed.
have my friend are in a way representing a lot of people who want to do this,
Yeah.
not comedy per se,
Yeah.
but who want to be an artist, have that talent, want to perform, but do not have a platform here. You know that.
जी. It's very difficult.
And it's frustrating. So that brings me back to what I was going to ask you. जब ये इतनी नौकरियां उस टाइम पे, how old were you at this show? जो the one which I just spoke
ये
about.
तो I don't remember exactly, but I will share photos with you.
Yeah,
मेरे पास.
मुझे जरूर दिखाना.
Search करूँगा.
हाँ.
तो आ जाएगा.
तो जब and you like you said you shifted multiple jobs.
Yeah.
Frustration level क्या था?
बहुत ज़्यादा. But the good thing was that I am, and I can say this very proudly, I'm a very sincere person when it comes to working. Because I was not a good student. So working was my only way out for people to say कि चलो यार at least काम तो सही कर रहा है, पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाया. तो I should take that very personally. Like मेरे को कुछ भी काम दे दो, मैं बहुत शिद्दत से आज तक करता हूँ. Because there is still this little Nitin inside कि यार don't let anybody down.
Yeah.
And I love that about me because I really try my best not to let anybody down. अभी थोड़ा change हो गया because now I'm like I have to think about myself also and I'm very selfish that way. So I have a good balance of this. But I think in general, like I work for a company called McCain Foods used to sell French fries.
Of course.
Then barter card. I used to sell credit cards. And I was a producer with ZTV. I used to produce local content. Antakshari, Saregama. I produced those shows. Then I was a fashion choreographer. I was a photographer for some time. Matlab, I was just...
It had to be something to do with the creative line.
I was good. Like in selling also, I was pretty good.
Huh. I can tell, you would be very good.
Yeah, because I just found that I could not be myself
Yeah.
and be this other person.
Yeah.
So now, actually, funny you ask me this because now while I'm talking, I'm able to reflect that the reason why I would be so good at all that is because I'm being someone else. And
Precisely.
I'm selling something else other than me.
Right.
So yeah, great question, man.
Yeah.
I
No,
think
because
we opened up something suddenly.
all artists are, जितने भी artists होते हैं ना, they're going to be very good in sales.
Gee.
It has to be that way. So and the
Because you're selling something else.
precisely, you're not yourself at
अपने
that
पे
moment. Yes.
थोड़ी वाट लगती कि यार how do I...
Correct.
Yeah.
And the same thing I can imagine you in अभी I don't know, पर पहले in your when you probably would have started off, I can imagine कि तुम meetings में जा रहे हो and you'd be hesitant to ask what you deserve for. I get a feeling.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
And another thing why I say that is because you have an ability to make someone feel very comfortable, which again,
Yeah.
so which,
It's because it's genuine.
huh?
So I'll confess, I'm very greedy. I'm a very greedy man. I love to know people, learn as much as I can about every emotion. So if you want to call me that, I'm being nice to you because I'm greedy to know you.
You're right.
I'm greedy कि यार, as an actor also I want to know कि अच्छा ऐसा क्या, what can I use and all that. And so far, luckily, it's been working for me.
Yeah.
So it's and I think greed, in this case, greed is beautiful.
It is. Yeah.
Because the byproduct is आप भी खुश हो, मैं भी खुश हूँ.
As long as you're not harming someone else, I think why not? If
Yeah,
you
I mean,
get what you deserve.
Intentionally not harming. Unintentionally, in our world,
You cannot help everyone,
Yeah.
my friend.
words got late.
I know.
You will harm somebody.
तो अब ये कॉमिक की रेजोनेशन कब फिर और कैसे शुरू हुई और where did you how did the Laugh Factory fit in and how did that how the hell did you even get there, brother, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, I've been at it for quite some time. Yeah, I can.
फिर भी बट एक शुरू करने से बाद माइक तो एक शुरू करने के बाद
हाँ.
इतना मतलब तो कैसे listen man, Laugh Factory 4th
Yeah.
and
it's
come
just-
on, you have
It's a
to
great opportunity.
and they're around to a fourth person.
Yeah, I won the title of. I mean, I was in the top 5.
Yeah.
ये अजीब लगता है ना बोलने को
fourth अजीब लगता है यार.
Yeah,
No,
but I was in the top 5 and
sorry, yeah.
yeah, it sounds better because I also used to say fourth funniest person.
नहीं, and I'll
तो
tell you
लोग
why.
बोलते क्या हुआ, टैक्सी नहीं मिली क्या? वहां भी लेट पहुंचा. मैं पेरेंट्स से वहां भी तू लेट पहुंचा. सुबह को उठ तभी लाइफ चेंज होगी तेरी. But
हाँ,
yeah,
ये-
man, that was a crazy opportunity. I was just so happy.
Before you reached there, sorry, जब कॉमिक ये स्टार्ट हुए,
जी.
जब पता लग गया, okay, this is something I'm good at, it gives me an entry point.
जी.
और ये करना, I don't think it would fill your pockets at that point of time.
Not at all.
है ना?
It
तो
used to
पैसा
fill
तो नहीं.
the pocket of my soul.
Correct.
I remember sleeping very well. So you know what happened as somebody who's, I'm not an introvert anymore, but I was heavy introvert before. I could not explain why I was the way I was, what I was going through, So I used to keep quiet a lot.
अच्छा.
For people who know me, I used to observe and absorb a lot. तो जैसे ही मुझे मौका मिला, and there's a very funny story, I can share it with you. There's a friend of mine, Basit. I'm sure he's heard this story too many times. So there's a comedian called Jeff Mirza from UK.
Okay.
There used to be a club called Jimmy Dick's.
Of course, brother.
Jimmy Dick's. So
My
Jimmy
friend
Dick's
owns
ने-
a club there now.
Yeah. So, and that's also a full circle because I ended up doing a show there at the 12th year anniversary of thing. And मैं stage पे थोड़ा emotional हो गया था because it just hit me that I was standing at the same spot on the opposite side जहाँ पे bar हुआ करता था. So we ended up like celebrating us, anniversary. So Jimmy Dick's and Basit called me up. He said, "तू थोड़ा बहुत कर रहा है jokes वोक्स, तो you come and do a few minutes with this guy and all that." So I said, हाँ करेगा, मुझे क्या है, मैं आके करेगा. So I ended up doing, and then I did well. City 106 was sponsoring, and the show was called One Night Stand. They got Sajid Khan, Sunil Grover. I've opened for Sunil also. So that happened, and then Basit later on told me, he's like, "Bro, I didn't know you would do so well." And sorry, Jeff, but that's the story. Jeff also killed. But he said, I wasn't sure about Jeff. So I thought तू जाएगा. Sorry to use this word, but he said तू जाके हगेगा. And उसके बाद जो भी जाएगा will look very
Look like a star.
हाँ. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं हगा नहीं, मैं खा के आया पूरा अच्छे से ऑडियंस को. एंड द नेक्स्ट शो अगेन ही कॉल्ड मी एंड उस फिर मेरे को खून लग गया. मैंने बोला भाई, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड इज एज अ चाइल्ड, एज एन इंडिविजुअल हु इज डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड एनी एक्सेप्टेंस, suddenly you've got 200 people accepting you wholeheartedly, clapping and standing and clapping for you. तो मैंने बोला ये इसको पसंद करते हैं यार, ये वाला नितिन इनको बहुत पसंद है, तो लेट्स गिव देम व्हाट दे वांट. एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली द स्टोरी ऑफ जस्ट बीइंग एक्सेप्टेड. देयर इज नो अरे ऐसा मेरी अंधी माँ गूंगा बाप, कुछ नहीं. सब अच्छा चल रहा था लाइफ में, एवरीथिंग वाज ग्रेट. बट अंदर जो चल रहा था ना, दैट वाज नॉट सो ग्रेट. आई कुडंट एक्सप्लेन. तो इट वाज जस्ट एक्सेप्टेंस ब्रो.
नाइस यार. टेंशन भी पहली बार परफॉर्म करते हुए फटी नहीं थोड़ी सी?
बहुत बुरी तरह से फटी थी. मेरी रोज फटती है. मेरे हर इवेंट में आई हैव टू फील व्हाट आई हैव टू फील.
Which is good or bad?
इट्स वेरी गुड,
अच्छा.
वेरी गुड. सो आई एम दैट गाय हु विल गो टू एवरी इवेंट. अभी तक कोई भी शो मैं 1.5 आवर पहले जाऊंगा. इवन कॉर्पोरेट, आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट शोज. आई एम होस्टिंग लॉट ऑफ वेडिंग्स नाउ, traveling. So I always be there. I make my notes. So I push myself in every show to write 3 jokes on the spot and make them work.
That's nice.
So that's my ritual. कि मैं 3 joke वहाँ पहुँच के लिखूंगा and I'll make them work anyhow.
Good, yeah.
So that keeps me on the edge.
That's very
Yeah, because you can fall into that trap where you're like, whatever, you know.
Yeah, it's difficult, man. People, लोगों को समझ में नहीं आती है to, you know, the जैसे जितने भी stand-ups होते हैं,
जी.
usually people don't know कि कितना काम जाता है.
जी.
You know, to that वो 1 घंटे का skit या you know that 2 hours of shtick कितना and presence of mind कितनी होनी चाहिए. कोई ऐसा वो हेकलर कुछ कभी इनकाउंटर हुआ है कोई
बहुत
खतरनाक वाला कि मतलब साला ये कुछ ज्यादा ही कर रहा है, अब क्या करूं, यू नो, लाइक ऐसे टाइप
बहुत सारे हुए. But you know, my motto in life is not to offend you but to befriend the audience.
हाँ.
तो एंड दुबई में ना when I started doing comedy, सच्ची बताऊं, people say oh you're the pioneer, I say I am no all that. मेरे को खुद के लिए स्टेज चाहिए था भाई. तो I accidentally pioneered, if you want to call it, the scene because मेरे को स्टेज चाहिए था. तो मैंने कोई महान चीज नहीं किया, मेरे को खुद को स्टेज नहीं मिल रहा था, तो मैंने बोला खुद बना लो स्टेज. And I did what I did.
Yeah, I know.
And then it sort of moved up. You know, I was known as one of the first Desi comics. I used to have a show called Comic Sutra. Used to bring like 8899 comics, Atul Khatri, Amit Tandal, Daniel Fernandez,
Yes.
Aditi Mittal.
Yes.
So I used to produce one of the biggest shows. ऐसे lineup कभी नहीं होने वाला है आगे चल के.
Yeah, you should give yourself थोड़ा credit देना चाहिए दोस्त. You should.
नहीं, I do take credit, but at the same time, I like to keep it realistic because you know I think we are in a world where I don't want to take anything that doesn't belong to me. So I'm being honest. Like I'm talking about being greedy. I'm talking about सच में यार, keep yourself grounded. It's very important because you know power can really corrupt you. You know, please understand, to be standing in front of 3,000-4,000 people in Dubai Expo and having the power to make all of them laugh out loud like crazy, it can go to your head badly, and then you can change. I was almost becoming that person but it started showing in my comedy. I was becoming arrogant. I was becoming not me.
Yeah, that
कि मैं आ गया हूँ ना, मतलब और क्या चाहिए.
early realization, that's a good thing.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
पहले हो गया.
Yeah.
When you got given the opportunity, by the way, to come back and go to that jail to perform.
That was a crazy, really fun experience, yeah. And went in there, and the first thing the commissioner told me is like, if you see somebody, you know, don't react. I was like, yeah.
What was he thinking that
I was
you
like,
see
how?
someone you know?
How will I know? Bro, I knew 2 people. I knew 2 people. One of the guys was from a printing press who sponsored my show. He did the flyers for my show. He said, मैं wait कर रहा था आपसे मिलने के लिए. And one of the person like, I don't know how he knew me, but I remember that face. I like, bro, I know you.
Oh God, welcome to Dubai.
But they laughed. They had fun. They were interesting. I mean, if you ever go to Central Prison, Dubai Central Prison. Bro, the way they are taking care of the prisoners, it is mind blowing. मतलब ब्रो 5-star ट्रीटमेंट. उनका एक ही फंडा है कि इसको अच्छा बना के बाहर भेजेंगे. ब्रो क्या क्या सिखाते हैं. I walked in, somebody is learning how to make sneakers, somebody is learning mapping, 3D mapping, so they're really about reforming
Right.
people. And I forgot the name. Actually, one of the sub-inspectors, I think, hopefully I don't go wrong, his name is Amir Mirani. He's also, he's Arab, but Mirani hai. So he told me that in Dubai, in the UAE, he'd said around almost 80% or more, maybe abhi to bahut badhiya hoga, the crime is financial based.
Yeah.
They are not crimes. They are mistakes made
Correct.
involving finance. And so they are really sort of reforming people, and they had a laugh and maza aaya. People laughed and all, and some of them said, "Oh, aapko dekha YouTube pe ye wo." I was like, it's
Yeah,
very-
of course. I mean, it's also about giving back, brother. I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, I get the whole idea, and good again on you to do that also. तो यहाँ से
Just in the end, I couldn't tell them that, just whatever you do, just follow your dreams and chase your dreams. वो नहीं बोल पाया because if you chase, then they will chase you and put you back in jail. But I had to hold back on that. कि यार ये ऐसा कुछ मत बोल देना.
good you did.
वो तो the commissioner also has a great sense of humor. He's
Really?
such a nice guy. कहता है Wallah, you are very good. Very good. If you, we'll keep you. I said, no. I quit comedy. He's like, Wallah, you are very good. We should keep you here. I said, क्या हो गया भाई? ऐसे मैं कभी जेल नहीं गया यार. तो कब से बचते आ रहा हूँ जेल से भाई.
अरे
सतवा के टाइम से बचते आ रहा हूँ मैं.
Oh, अच्छा, you have seen that phase, correct? Oh, you have seen that phase.
Bro, gangs.
Oh, you
सतवा gang.
you are the only. You have
I'm
seen
the OG bro.
Yeah,
क्या
yeah,
बात कर रहे हो? मधु.
Yes.
Kwan.
Yes.
Oh shit, I'm dropping names.
कोई नहीं, कुछ
Faisal.
नहीं होता. कौन अभी पता नहीं बेचारे हैवी के निकल लिए.
Bro, उस वक्त
Oh,
तो
bro, you know it. Yes, I'm so happy.
बरसुभाई गैंग, मीना मजाद,
Yeah.
हिटाची शोरूम के पीछे.
Correct. वो शोरूम ही नहीं है अभी, पता है?
हाँ, बट वो फिलाफिल वाला अभी तक है.
हाँ. एक अपना वो था ना,
प्राइस अभी गया है 1 दिरहम.
जबल अल नूर भी तो था अपना, ब्रो.
नहीं जबलनूर तू आगे.
IHS के आगे, IHS के साइड पे यार. नहीं है.
नहीं जबलनूर वो वाला है, लेकिन ये जो अपना
भाई, I am sitting with this guy. Yeah. I didn't realize you would have seen all of that as well, because no one believes me when I tell.
नहीं सतवा, बस हम लोग डरते थे bro.
Yes, Satwa.
सफा तो भाई, सफा तो बहुत. राशिद दिया.
Yeah, so Rashid
But
Diya was
सतवा was quite notorious.
Sonapur was.
सतवा के लोग आते थे ना हमारे प्रॉम पे, अल नासर लेजेंड
Bro, मैं आता था bro.
आइस रिंग के ऊपर यार.
Yeah.
दिलेर मेहदी के कॉन्सर्ट होते थे.
नहीं,
सतवा के
वो
लोग-
नहीं, थोड़ा है उस टाइम, मतलब एग्जैक्टली उस टाइम पे मैं बहुत सालों बाद आता था.
हाँ बट when you were still there, आइस रिंग,
IHS
अल नासर लेजेंड का आइस रिंग.
सारे बाहर बैठे होते थे मेरे
सारे
को. याद है? चिढ़.
ताल अरे भागो. मैं ताल में भाग जाता था. बोला ताल से ताल नहीं मिलानी है.
नहीं मिलानी.
भागो.
बट मैं अपने दोस्तों को भी बताया था ये, जब मैं आई हैड डन माय कॉलेज फ्रॉम इंडिया.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो दिल्ली से गया था ना, तो मैं बताया था उनको कि भाई तुम लोग ना मतलब हल्के में ले रहे हो. भाई ठीक था, वहां पे भी कोई नहीं मानता भाई.
डेंजर
या
3 बजे.
कौन बैक नाउ.
हाला तुल. नहीं करना.
Oh God. Oh my God, I'm back. It just took me back.
तो जबान टूट गई. हे भगवान मुझे मार दो. बट आई गॉट इनटू गैंग्स बाय द वे.
Yeah. Listen, man.
मैं घुस गया था गैंग्स में.
Me
नॉट
too, bro.
फुल ऐसा लंबे बाल, ऐसा पैंट्स नीचे तक.
Yeah. Did you get the piercing done? नहीं.
हाँ
Piercing करवाई थी नहीं.
piercing कभी नहीं की.
मैं करवा ली थी.
टैटू कराया था.
हाँ.
और वही
But मजा था bro.
टोपी पहनो जहाँ पे स्टील का हुआ करता था एक
हाँ.
स्लैब.
हाँ.
उस पे लिखा था बॉय लंडन.
करामा से लेते थे ना. याद है?
बॉय लंडन. दैट ब्रांड इज स्टिल देयर इन मुंबई.
Bro, but क्या solid. I mean, now that you look back, it was fun. No?
ब्रो इट वाज
मजेदार था यार.
अलग एक बबल था. बहुत प्यारा बबल.
हाँ.
यार मैं सबको कहता, पता है दुबई, people don't realize, but we are really protected.
Yeah.
We have been so protected with, being, इतना कुछ नहीं था यार. We've been always safe in Dubai from day one,
Yeah.
from everything,
Correct. 100%. You're absolutely right. कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि मतलब कि कहाँ.
स्कूल से जा रहे हो, आ रहे हो, बस में बैठ रहे हो, 48 नंबर बस, 24 म्यूजिक लैंड पे उतरो, it's safe. You're walking down, tuition पे जा रहे हो.
Yeah.
So it was a good space to be, man.
Yeah. Still
You know,
is, man. It's changed.
It's the best right now.
Yeah, it's
the best
changed.
right now.
But
It's actually becoming safer.
yeah. It was more raw then, na? Because उस time पे बन रहा था Dubai, obviously.
हाँ.
Yeah. So you've been through that phase, so you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I can actually sit down and reminisce about
Well,
that.
I've got so much. I'll tell you something very beautiful that I started doing now. It's sort of a movement that I started and it's sort of picked up. So every time I come to Dubai, थोड़ा philosophical हो जाएगा, but I think it's nice and it's so beautiful. I want to share with people, especially you. So what happens is when we grow up, na, and touch wood, now we are in a very good space as human beings, as souls, as people. And our aspirations are higher, you know. But we forget the little dreams we used to have.
Hmm.
So I kicked it off by every time I come to Dubai, I will do something that I missed doing as a child. My first thing was I booked a suite room in Astoria Hotel. I'll tell you how it came to be. And my best friend Pintu, he hated me for this. Like, kha rahenge. I said, bro, to realize kya ki ab touch wood, by the grace of God, I stay in the biggest of the hotels, 7-star. And bro, I'm not even paying for it many of the times. But what about the aspiration of that Nitin, that young guy? Bro, we used to dress up, layering करके to look bigger. यार eyeliner से हम लोग दाढ़ी मूछ बना के जाते थे. And वो bouncer बोलता था, there used to be a club called Papa Pancho. Papa, ऐसा कुछ था.
याद नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah, bro, DJ Benson used to play there.
Benson याद है मेरे.
And I still remember the visual कि we are guys and all. And Benson, hey, what's up? Star lag raha hai. So Benson was like, what's going on? He's like, oh, I'm going to play. Then I'll go up to the room. He's like, what? You have a room upar? You're staying. मतलब you, oh, fuck. मतलब bro, you made it like, to play कर फिर ऊपर जाके नहा के फिर वापस नीचे आएगा bro. And you don't have to go home. So for us, it's like, bro. And we forgot about that. हम लोग को entry नहीं मिलती थी. And then bro, it's such a beautiful moment. I slept. And you know, this is, Astoria Hotel is still there.
Yeah.
It's the only hotel where they still have an exhaust fan and an ashtray in the bathroom. वो पुराना exhaust fan.
अच्छा. Correct.
So it is that.
Yeah.
And I stayed there. My best friend came into.
Seriously रुका है.
मैं रुक गया. मैंने book करके मैंने बोला मैं यहाँ रहेगा. Bro, I woke up in the morning. I cannot tell you what a beautiful sleep I got. And I woke up in the morning and I had the most amazing moment of my life where, and this is a complete coincidence, right? I opened the window and I looked down and I don't know if you remember, there used to be a place called Music Land.
I can't.
There's a music shop.
Was that the game? नहीं अच्छा
Music shop. That was Pink Panther.
हाँ. Okay.
That was Pink Panther. Music Land पे हमारी बस आती थी और मुझे अभी भी याद है कि मैं अपना बैग लेके I used to look up at that window hoping that one day I will stay there. And that morning I saw myself looking down at the exact spot where Nitin used to stand and look up with aspiration. Bro,
How
you
beautiful.
will not
है.
believe something inside me said thank you. Really. So now it's my aim to start.
It's a very good thing. One should do that actually.
Bro, because you know what happens is we really forget one person who's been with you throughout, which is you, the younger you. उसके सपने आप पूरे क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Bro, it could be as simple as कि यार मेरे को एक दिन पूरा दिन अबरा बुक करना है क्रीक पे. नहीं करते ना? करो आप. So now I'm getting messages from people saying, bro, will you go here for me? And I've done it.
You know, this is a very beautiful thing. Yeah. If
Please go back, whoever's listening and watching, please go back and make a list of who you are as a person. I promise you, you can stay at the biggest hotel, but when you stay in places and your aspirations, bro, it could be anything like, bro, renting a sports car.
yeah.
Fulfill it, no. Fulfill his dream, ना. उसको वो बच्चे को खुश रखो ना.
That's very
उसने
right.
कितना किया आपके लिए? दुनिया आपके अगेंस्ट थी. एक आवाज आपको अंदर से बोलती नहीं तू कर. वो आवाज किसकी है? It's your inner self.
Yeah.
So once your inner self is happy,
This is amazing.
yeah,
I never thought of it this way. One shoot जाओ सारे दिन Counter Strike खेलो. But
yeah, fulfill. उसको खत्म करो, so there will be more space for more dreams. Because somewhere it हो जाता है, रह जाता है, bro.
Of course.
और bro, I cannot tell you, इतना मजा आया ना उधर सो के, I cannot tell you. सच्ची में यार, मेरे को इतना मजा आया, like it was.
This is different, very good way to think about it. Yeah,
Yeah.
Like, it would never cross my mind also.
No, it didn't cross my mind for the longest time also because that's what life does to you. Life teaches you to keep going forward.
हाँ,
Nobody will tell you go backwards.
correct.
But I do believe that sometimes if you want to leap forward, you have to take 2 steps back for that run up.
Very
So every time you're going back doesn't mean you're going back. You might just
end up going
jump
forward,
farther.
leap forward. Yeah, very
so
lovely.
make space for yourself.
Yeah.
And Dubai is one of those places because it's an expat market यार. This is a world of dreams.
Yeah.
इतने dreams लोग लेके आते हैं कि यार मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा.
Wonderful. Yeah, I
Yeah.
push this reel.
Yeah, me and my best friend Pintu, we buy the same shoes that we couldn't buy in school. Fila के जूते,
हाँ,
लाल वाले,
हाँ.
we couldn't afford them. We used to draw on canvas जो मिलता था वो ईरानी दुकान पे, अबरा के उधर. So we used to draw pencil से
Yeah.
ऐसा red और उस पे लिखते थे हम फीला. When we found the same shoe, we bought 2 pairs. And people were like ये क्या पुराना जूता? I said, bro, I just bought the OG Reebok pumps.
Ooh, nice. You found them?
Yeah, yeah.
Very good. Yeah.
So I'm really chasing
Yeah.
myself and saying thank you to myself कि भाई अभी तेरे पास मौका है, अभी तू तेरे को क्या चाहिए?
मैं दिलाता हूँ.
अब मैं दिलाता हूँ. Exactly. Bro, तू बोलना मैं दिलाता हूँ अभी.
Very good.
It's beautiful to tell yourself that.
Very good. Vanchu. मुंबई पहली तो बात बता, जब वापस आए तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन थी कि यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल रहा मेरे को, यहाँ पे बड़ा हुआ यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल रहा मेरे को, विच इज राइट. अब जाके थोड़ा कुछ एक पुश हुआ है कंटेंट को.
हाँ, see, to be honest, I think Dubai is evolving
Yeah.
at an alarming rate because of the expat market, and even now the Arabs and the locals are amazing, bro. Like they're so open and so good with everything.
Yeah.
You know, they understand what's going on.
Also, the younger generation is up for chasing their
Yeah.
dreams, and if they want to become an artist or they have the talent or they want to perform, they're going for it.
Opportunity मिलेगा ना.
Correct.
आपको platform है. What you do with it. So I've never, to be very honest, Dubai is one of my favorite places to come. मैं महीने में 2 बार आ जाता हूँ because
Home.
you know, all said and done, not to boast, but I feel like a celebrity here when I walk around, and why not? It feels nice, bro. Like walk into clubs and they have bottle खोल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Welcome to the club, Nitin Mirani. Like, oh shit. मैंने बताया, मैंने 2-3 लोगों को बताया नहीं है. फिर मेरे को मैसेज, साले हरामजादे, तू दुबई में क्या कर रहा है? तूने बोला तू बॉम्बे में है. I said, यार वो होर्डिंग निकालो. But
Yeah, it feels good, of course.
yeah, so I tell people chase that feeling. Shamelessly chase it. तेरे को जहाँ अच्छा लगे ना, वो करो. So I've never been frustrated. Dubai is one of my favorite places to perform.
Cool.
Favorite.
Yeah.
Favorite. All-time favorite. Now that I'm doing the poetry thing also. We've had 2 sold-out shows for the poetry also.
So, once you reached Mumbai, once you decided to go there,
Yeah.
how was the?
Culture
I'm
shock.
sure एक तो cultural shock तो
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा रहा होगा.
हाँ.
Because yeah, people don't understand. Our generation is still, most of us, we were still with each other.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं था कि 10 गोरे लोग थे और एक हम थे.
Correct.
You know, it was never that. हाँ, हिंदी अब गालियाँ हिंदी में ही देते थे.
हाँ.
You know, दोस्त ही सारे इधर के थे.
Yeah.
So it was always there. But that process of beginning के auditions दिए. अब मुझे पता नहीं कि कॉमिक का सीन क्या होता है. आई नो कि एक किसी को एक्टिंग करनी है, किसी को सिंगिंग करनी है, ऑडिशन प्रोसेस एक फुल फ्लेश्ड है, एक एजेंसी है
हाँ.
which you can, you know, obviously charge a percentage, which
Yeah,
everyone does, which is
Yeah.
fine. They're getting you the job, and they give you the platform, they get you the push. How does it work when you're looking at the comic side of it?
Nee, so in India was anyways, there was a lot of comedy happening when I used to fly down to India. Reason why I missed out on a lot of projects. I was supposed to be in Rock On. I auditioned for it. I was supposed to be in My Name is Khan. I auditioned for it. I was there in the top. But obviously, I couldn't fly down in time to whatever. So, and I was told by one of the casting people very bluntly, actually, I can take her name, Shanu Sharma. Very sweet of her. She told me very bluntly that Nitin, ये तेरा जो दुबई वाला audition करना,
नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं. You have to be available. You know, so she sort of really bluntly told me that, Nitin, this शूबाजी मत कर
Yeah.
कि मैं दुबई से ऑडिशन दूंगा. They like you sometimes, but they want you to be there ना. Like, so then I thought about it and all that. फिर भी इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं. Then I fell in love with someone. And then I moved. And
Seriously?
then I didn't marry her. Somebody else. अब लेते एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. और ब्रेक के बाद that's it. People ask me why you moved to Mumbai. I fell in love with someone.
Oh, serious?
Moved for love. This is the
वाह वाह.
same girl I proposed in front of 5,000 people.
करेक्ट है, मैं वही पूछ रहा था, वही थी कि दूसरी थी?
वही थी.
अच्छा.
And
Okay.
it didn't work. उसके बाद जो मेरी जिंदगी अजाब हुई है, bro, I was a butt of jokes, man.
I'm
Every
sure,
time I
bro.
used to be on stage, people used to say, I hope you will not come down and propose. I, Chutya, this is not something I do in every show. I'm supposed to marry her, yeah. But God bless her soul.
I'm sorry, I'm
I mean,
laughing.
she's alive, but
Yeah.
still, God bless her soul.
I'm really sorry, I'm laughing.
Yeah, no, bro. It got funny after some time because,
Yeah.
bro, everybody is dark. It's still there on BBC World. It's fucking embarrassing, yaar. And that was also quite funny.
ले ली होगी bro.
But there was a funny incident. So what happened was कि she was willing to dump me
अच्छा.
क्योंकि I was hiding the whole thing.
Okay.
Ring छुपा रहा हूँ. So she was convinced that I'm having an affair. So before the day of the show, she was ready to confront me and say, Nitin, I'm sorry, I'm convinced you're cheating on me. It's not, I'm breaking off. Not knowing that मैं ring के लिए जा रहा हूँ, I'm organizing things. And even on the day, I don't want to say this, maybe it was a sign from God. I told my friends कि उसको वहाँ बिठाना.
हाँ.
Because I know stage से चढ़ के मैं वहाँ आऊँगा. She decides to give that seat to an old lady. If you see the video, bro, मैं उतरा हूँ नीचे and वहाँ पहुँचा हूँ and मैं literally बोल रहा हूँ माइक पे कहाँ गए. And bro, I'm so committed to proposing at that time because मेरी इज्जत पे आ गई.
हाँ.
I said, bro, मैं आंटी को propose करेगा. I said, आंटी, I don't care. आप बैठे हो, अब भुगतो. I was like, I don't care. I will propose to you, auntie. Will you marry me, auntie? बोलूँगा मैं.
Oh
But
god.
luckily then, no, she's there.
मिल गया रास्ता.
Then I went there. But
तो कोई नहीं, अभी सब कुशल मंगल, right?
हाँ, खुशल like I said, God bless her. God bless everybody. But me more.
Of course. तो एजेंडा क्या है? एक्टिंग करनी है?
करता हूँ
comic?
भाई. I'm an actor.
मतलब I know, but full fledgedly या सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस से मतलब है?
Bro, I think I am, to be honest, and I think COVID plays a big part in me speaking like this because हमारे इंडस्ट्री में ना और हमारे जो रहन सहन और हमारी जो परवरिश में ये हमेशा लोग कहते थे अरे पागल इतनी चीज़ें मत कर, एक अच्छे से कर, फॉलो कर अपना एक ड्रीम. But you know, COVID really reset a lot of things. A lot of people did so many things. So, you know, and again, I'm not being pompous here. I'm very good with any sort of expression, whether it's comedy, whether it's emotion, whether as an actor. Why should I take that as a minus? For many years, I took it as a minus. But now you will see Nitin Mirani in all his glory. मैं पोइट्री भी लिखता हूँ. मैं 9 साल से लिख रहा हूँ भाई. अब शो मेरा लॉन्च हो गया. मैं एक्टिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया करता हूँ. I do comedy as well. I do corporates. I do concepts. I write scripts for Sangeets. So I'm not stopping. I'm not coming in the way of my own evolution. And that's one thing I want to tell the artists also watching. Don't come in the way of your own evolution.
Go for it.
Evolve how you're supposed to. ये धकियानुसी. नहीं, I don't know if I can do it. And this is a client who told me once. Because you know how people are, na? थोड़ा self-respect नीचे होता है. So the guy booked me. It was a very big show. So I said, are you sure? He's like, Nitin. So बहुत काम की बात बोली. He says, do you think I'm an idiot? I said, I'm running a $1 trillion company. Do you think I don't know how to decide on people? I'm selecting you because I know what I'm saying. So by you questioning me, you are saying I'm stupid, I don't know my job. I said, wow, what a perspective. And that fits everywhere. You know, because some people do that. Ki,
Yeah.
Really? You think I can do it? They've told you you can. So anything you want to do, COVID has taught you. Bro, I never thought I would be doing stand-up comedy on Zoom. Never. I've hosted weddings on Zoom. Bro, hilarious. पंडित जी का चौथे फेरे पे इंटरनेट उड़ गया. तो उसका बाप बोल रहा है नितिन आप कुछ करो ऐसे यार फेरों के बीच में कॉमेडी कैसे करूं. बट किया मैंने. Oh, like madness, bro. Bro, I was supposed to do a very big gig for somebody, and I think they were doing it on Zoom, but then they went to Teams or some उनका internal था because they said no protocol, we can't break the firewall. Bro, we went from Zoom of having like maybe like पता नहीं, they said a lot of people signed up, to me performing to myself with no audio, no laughter, no response.
You went ahead and wow. Okay.
Bro, उसके जो पैसे सब मेरे थेरेपी में गए उसके बाद मैंने बोला आप मेरे को एडवांस दे दो. Imagine performing to yourself, imagining कि मैंने जोक किया, they must have laughed. Now let's moving on. So COVID really reset. I mean, it's very sad. People lost their lives and
Yeah, of
stuff.
course.
But people gain perspective.
Yeah.
That bro, like कहते थे बचपन में कहते खुदा ना खास्ता. This was our खुदा ना खास्ता.
Yeah, no, I know, and good on you, yeah.
Human spirit. Like so many of us. Even you, I'm pretty sure that, you found a new way and all that.
Yeah.
And that's beautiful that the human spirit is such कि we will survive. Just do.
Good. Very
बड़ा
nice.
प्रवचन टाइप हो गया.
What अभी आगे
Maybe I should do Patanjali products. ऐसा करने से होगा नहीं होता है तो घोड़े के पीछे भागो.
यार काफी impromptu, बड़ा जल्दी निकला था नितिन. That's very nice.
मैं हूँ ऐसा ब्रो.
Very nice.
मैं हूँ ऐसा.
डर लगता है कि दफा कॉमिक, I mean अभी sure of course you know.
अभी डर नहीं लगता.
Latent और रणवीर के साथ जो हुआ.
नहीं वो तो यार to be very honest it's quite sad what has happened. But Ranveer is young bro. मतलब
He's about 33, 32.
I don't know if I should say this like this and I don't mean any disrespect. But in society अगर आप किसी बच्चे को पेडेस्टल पे डालोगे
हाँ.
वो आप पे सुसु करेगा क्योंकि बच्चे को वही आता है. बच्चे को नहीं समझता कि वो मेरे को ऊपर की है लाइफ में. वो बोलेगा ओ ऊपर या तो थूकता हूँ या सुसु करूंगा. सो माई क्वेश्चन इज फॉर अ शो लाइक लेटेंट टू डू वेल, is the problem with the supply or the demand? Today, if you see the post, you see the numbers.
और 30 million यार in 2 weeks.
अलग level चल रहा है. So I mean, it's a very confusing state to see. The choice is, of course, you don't need to speak these words, you don't need to hear these words, but they really challenge you. एक तो मैं and I'm saying this to camera, मैं उस बिल्ली का गला घोटना चाहता हूँ. वो जो बिल्ली वाली वीडियो होते हैं ना, 18 मिलियन व्यूज, मैं उस बिल्ली का गला घोट दूंगा. लाइक हम यहाँ कंटेंट करे जा रहे हैं, वो बिल्ली का ह्यो करके 18 मिलियन ले रही.
वो भी AI जनरेटेड
हैशटैग किल कैट्स.
वो भी AI है भाई, AI है वो सब.
कोई तुक नहीं है यार. हाउ डू यू कम्पीट टुडे? यू आर यार चड्डी नहीं पहने हो. हम मरे हम ये बात कर रहे हैं ब्रो, फाइंड योरसेल्फ, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. चड्डी नहीं पहने हो ना, सब दिख रहा है, सब पता चल रहा है. How do you compete with this?
Oh god.
How do you
most
compete with चड्डी नहीं पहने हो?
Annoying bloody thing online. But थोड़ा scary भी है यार. See the thing है, एक तो बेचारा रणवीर, I feel he's बेचारा, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता है, मारना मत यार. वो
नहीं,
इंग्लिश जोक मारने की कोशिश कर रहा था अपने, और वो बहुत वो चला है वो बाहर कहीं.
नहीं, I think I'll tell you what happened. Ranveer painted a different picture and he got people to believe. यार देखो, honestly अगर मैं आज आपको बोलूँ कि भाई मैं योगा करता हूँ, मैं ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ, this that, and tomorrow you see me involved, you will feel hurt. Because not only did I convince you that, but then he found that window ना. Again, it's a very tough conversation to have. उसको बनाया किसने?
लोगों ने.
तो ये उसूल है.
Yeah.
One of my scripts that I've written for a film, यहाँ पे एक लाइन है कि इंसान की फितरत भी ऐसी है कि वो जब दुआ भी मांगता है ना, विश मांगता है, तो टूटते हुए तारे पे मांगता है. जब तारा ऊपर होता है कुछ नहीं बोलता, जब तारा टूटता है तब वो विश मांगता है. तो है हमारे में ऊपर चढ़ा के अलग ही प्लेजर है कि, बिकॉज आई हैड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड आई आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन टू पीपल दैट डू यू रिलेट टू सक्सेस मोर और फेलियर? If I have to ask you this question, what do you relate more to? Other people's success or failure?
Other people's failures, yaar, I guess.
There you go.
Yeah.
Because that's more relatable.
Yeah.
So that's why people go like
Because
that.
you've been there.
नहीं, also and oh अच्छा, he can also fail. चल उसको fail कराते हैं. So people are ready to pull you down.
Yeah. But these death threats and all that, I think
That's wrong.
education is truly important. देखो उसने बोल दिया ऑफ कोर्स. अब यार एक ना दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड आई विल टेल यू
Yeah.
आल्सो.
Yeah.
जब सामने कॉमिक बैठा होता है ना, एक तो यार वो बेचारा कॉमेडियन नहीं है बेचारा, मैं बार बार
नहीं,
इसलिए
वो
बोल रहा
निकल
हूँ.
आता है वो
वो ना एक होता ही
peer
है
pressure में
आड़
उसने
में.
बोल दिया कि
वो
I
mic
also
के
want to be-
पीछे ठीक है, उसको तुमने आगे डाल दिया, और वो भी कॉमिक्स के साथ यूजुअली ना अदर पर्सन ट्राइज देयर लेवल बेस्ट टू बी फनी,
bro.
यू नो.
When I mean regular people,
Yeah.
there's a competition that happens. And
अननेसेसरली.
corporates also. Oh, you're a comedian, huh? क्या है भाई, chill.
तो ये उनके हाथ में वो क्या छोड़ दो, वो
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं, उनको पता है. तुम अपना काम रखो भाई.
Even Samay, like, he found a gap in the market.
समय is
He's like the Donald Trump of the internet.
Correct.
He found a gap, he exploited the gap. And then, see, I'll tell you why people are not so upset with Samay. Because Samay starting से ऐसा है.
हाँ.
So unfortunately with Ranveer, and again, you know, I hope people forgive him and all.
Yeah, even I hope
This is a
people
big
forgive
lesson
him.
for him because it's hurt his income, it's hurt his name. यार वो rebuild करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है.
बहुत मुश्किल है दोस्त, बहुत मुश्किल है.
Yeah, but then again, India also forgets.
करेक्ट.
India's got
Yeah.
amnesia.
बट फिर भी थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, बच्चे भी यूट्यूब कई दफा ना पहुंच जाते हैं यार.
वो तो bro,
थोड़ा सा ध्यान, ज्यादा नहीं.
वो तो that's the scary thing, bro.
गाली गलौज ठीक है, ओवर मत करो.
Amount. नहीं, but again, you are trying to chase. See, one of the people, I think they said very nicely that some things are taboo. Like in Dubai, if you talk about you're out.
100%.
There is no discussion.
Yeah.
But you have to respect where you are. You know, if I am a chef and I'm giving you sushi, but my audience is allergic to sea fish,
क्यों?
to fish, you know, or to seafood, who's the idiot?
Yeah.
So knowing your audience is very important. Ranveer got a little carried away because like, मेरे को अगर मैं जो बोलता हूँ मेरे को ये वाली भी ऑडियंस मिल जाएगी, more numbers, more followers, more this. उसके चक्कर में आई थिंक
थोड़ा
उड़ता हुआ तीर ले लिया उसने.
हाँ, एक्चुअली
2-3 बार लिया है.
मार्स जा रहा था वो तीर, ये उड़ के गया सुपरमैन की तरह. अरे बोला इधर मार.
अरे भैया कहाँ जा रहे हो? आओ.
बट ये
क्या आपने कभी तीर लिया है? हाँ.
डू द लाफ अगेन बट.
What did I tell you?
Yeah.
Power will corrupt you. So much power. In the evening, फिर दूसरे अक्षय कुमार के साथ पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है. That's a lot of power, bro.
100%. And
अच्छे खासे-
33, that's a lot of power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छे खासे.
I hope he comes.
क्या जस्टिन बीबर का क्या हुआ? जस्टिन बीबर पागल हो गया. बंदर खरीद रहा है. तो बंदर को जर्मनी में छोड़ दिया. अंडे फेंक रहा है लोगों के विला पे. Like, bro, it's warped, bro. That amount of
I get it.
madness. वो एक चाहिए, एक ठहराव चाहिए उसको संभालने के लिए.
What keeps you down? Yourself or your people around you who give you bamboo from time to time?
Me.
Yeah.
I'm very clear about, in a good way, in a bad way also. But and now I'm just celebrating myself. But I also know कि क्या मेरा रूफ है, क्या कर सकता हूँ, क्या नहीं. मेरा इंस्टिंक्ट काफ़ी अच्छा हो रहा है लोगों के लेकर, खुद को लेकर. तो I'm quite happy knowing that. And of course my wife is my go-to person for everything. I'm a fan of my wife. उसको मैं बहुत पकाता हूँ, हर चीज़ में उसकी एडवाइस लेता हूँ. तो कुछ भी जोक्स के ऊपर, करियर के ऊपर. एंड शी इज़ सरप्राइजिंगली ऑलवेज राइट. शी इज़ द हेड ऑफ HR for a company, so she understands people for the longest time.
Yeah.
So she gives me very good advice. And I have no problem following.
आगे का प्लान अभी क्या है? What's coming next now?
बस वेब सीरीज ब्रो. डिड अ ग्रेट वेब सीरीज, हॉरर वेब सीरीज.
Ooh, horror,
एक
nice.
वेब सीरीज की वीरदास के साथ. So hopefully that releases. And we're just now producing. We started our own agency called Alter Ego Entertainment.
ले लो यार.
हाँ, अरे आ जाओ फिर. तो we are, you know, mounting a few projects. Aarti and me, we're just discussing things. And
Nice.
but now I'm enjoying Kuch Alfaz now. The poetry thing that we started with Preeti Kamath, which is a local Dubai talent. And she's my Rakhi sister actually.
Oh, nice.
So I'm really enjoying to show people that side of me also, which they're really enjoying. Like
Good,
they're
man.
shocked,
Yeah.
but I can really get to them.
I want to see this.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मैं देखा नहीं अभी तक. मैं
I'll
want to
invite
see this. तो अभी मिस्टर मनमानी के क्या हाल है?
हाँ मनमानी इज ग्रेट यार. उसका नाम मतलब है जो आज कहीं से भी आ जाएगा. मनमानी इज ग्रेट यार. मनमानी इज everything Nitin cannot say. He's my alter ego. Hence my company is called Alter Ego. Manmani is getting popular surprisingly. Manmani is way funnier than me, I must tell you. He's
Is
much
it?
more fearless. Bro, I got wedding bookings for मनमानी.
हाँ.
हाँ, मेरे को इनिशियली बुरा लगा, फिर मैंने बोला यार बैंक अकाउंट तो एक ही है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. पर they said नहीं आप मनमानी करना, आप चलो आप अपना एक्ट मत करो, मनमानी करना. सिंधी वेडिंग.
तो if I snap my fingers, you will become Manmani or no?
He'll show up or I'll become, I don't know. Let's try it. How are you doing?
बढ़िया अंकल.
Very good. Good to see you.
अंकल देख के बहुत मजा आ रहा है आपको.
मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आ रहा है खुद को देख के यार.
बताओ ना थोड़ा कुछ रैपिड फायर खेले क्या?
Please, first of all, don't say rapid fire. मेरे को गैस का प्रॉब्लम है. That's what I call my condition. Rapid fire. पी पा 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 ऐसा.
चाय के कॉफी?
Depends कौन पिला रहा है चढ़िया. जो फ्री में मिले ले लेगा.
अंकल बताओ फिर दुबई के इंडिया.
यार दुबई depends who's buying the flight. But I really love Dubai. दुबई में इतना मजा आता है.
हाँ.
And I love Dubai because the same people are not there in India.
बियर या विस्की?
हाँ ये अच्छा सवाल पूछा है. बियर या विस्की? सिंधी आदमी तो विस्की पिएगा.
पीने का ना.
डेफिनेटली ब्लैक लेबल, लेकिन ब्लू लेबल के बॉटल में.
Would you rather with
एक मिनट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो वुड यू रादर मेरे सामने कभी बोलना नहीं. ये बेंचो वुड यू रादर के चक्कर में वो रणबीर बियर बेली, क्या नाम है उसका, बियर पॉटी, जो भी है उसका नाम, बेचारा फंस गया है. सो आई रादर नॉट.
इंग्लिश के हिंदी?
हरिओम. डिपेंड्स यार कौन गाली दे रहा है. देखो, हिंदी में गाली देने का मजा ही हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
सिंधी में ब्रो.
अंकल थोड़ा सिंधी में थोड़ी गाली एक दो बताओ ना.
नहीं यार, आई डोंट अब्यूज बेंचो. पागल हो गया है क्या? चढ़िया हो गया है.
कल नितिन आपको आगे क्यों नहीं आने देता है?
Because I like it from the back. नहीं, not with नितिन चढ़िया. I am a homosapian. वो क्या बोलते हैं जो आजकल बहुत कंफ्यूज हो गया है यार. प्रोनाउन वो नाउन मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता है. आई एम इंडियन फ्रॉम इंडिया. माई प्रोनाउन आर दैट्स इट. ऐसे बुलाओ मैं कहीं से भी आ जाएगा.
थैंक यू अंकल, बहुत मजा आया आपसे फाइनली मिलके.
एनीवे आई वुड लव टू स्टे बट आई डोंट वांट टू. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अंकल यार अंकित, मैंने बोला था यार, लाइक वाइट
मस्त है
वो
अंकल.
है ना रायते की तरह फैल जाते हैं. सॉरी. हाँ, सो वेयर वर वी?
Yeah, but I like Uncle Baba. Uncle is fun.
यू आल्सो लाइक अंकल मोर
Yeah, Uncle is fun, bro. You're cool, but Uncle is also fun.
देन मेरा लाइफ ही ऐसा है यार.
Give Uncle a chance more.
हैशटैग
Hashtag.
अंकल को उसकी मनमानी करने दो. बट या मैन, इट्स
Yeah.
समथिंग एल्स.
But you know, I swear he's amazing. And मैं काफी लोगों के साथ बोलता हूँ और especially जब कोई दुबई से जाके you know is doing
या
and representing this place, you know.
I represented in the competition. I represented UAE and India
Precisely.
at the competition. Yeah.
Precisely. So you are representing a lot of us from here.
That's why my new comedy special is called the NRI.
Yeah.
And ironically, the NRI comes from my name, Nitin ka N,
Oh.
R, Mirani I. So the NRI pops up. So
Nice.
it's who we are. So I can't wait to bring that show to Dubai because it's a story about us.
Yeah. And I promise I will push it as much as I can from my end.
Hey, just come attend it, bro.
I 100% will. You.
It's at the Astoria Hotel ballroom. I'm just kidding. No, not anymore. Not anymore.
It would be cool if he was there.
Yeah.
But I swear to God, मैं दिल से बोल रहा हूँ यार. You know, God bless you.
Thank
for
you.
doing what
God
you
bless
have
you.
done and continue doing what you are doing, because you know a lot of people want to do that.
बिल्कुल.
I swear.
बिल्कुल.
काफी लोगों को करना है यार. और जब you know when they see someone, you are giving a blueprint. काफी लोगों को who want to go down that path.
Yeah.
And like I said, we're all about that.
So
So God bless you, my friend.
thank you, bro.
Thank you for making time for time out.
Thank you.
And
There's a few lines I want to say. The poetry that I've written, it's around the same thing. कि हर वक्त रहना राहते जां की खोज में. राहते जां means to. हर वक्त रहना राहते जां की खोज में. जरा अपने जख्मों से सुलह करके तो देख. हर वक्त रहना राहते जां की खोज में. जरा अपने जख्मों से सुलह करके तो देख. तमाम समुंदर सिमटे हुए हैं तुझ में. तमाम समुंदर सिमटे हुए हैं तुझ में. तू किसी प्यासे का घड़ा भर के तो देख. बदल देगा, बदल देगा तेरा हर गम भी अपना नजरिया, बदल देगा तेरा हर गम भी अपना नजरिया, तू किसी और की खुशियों का जरिया बन के तो दे.
अरे वाह, शाबाश, वेरी वेरी गुड.
तो दैट्स माय बिलीफ सिस्टम. एंड जहाँ आपको मौका मिले लाइफ में कुछ बनो ना बनो, बी यूजफुल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दुआओं से लोग कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचते. ट्राई नॉट टू इंटेंशनली हर्ट पीपल. अनइंटेंशनली हो जाएगा, यू विल हर्ट द क्लोजेस्ट पीपल. कोशिश करो, पॉसिबल है, कोशिश करो.
Like I said, thank you for making time for time out.
थैंक यू बड़ी.
Cheers, मेरा मग्गा
Cheers.
गायब है, but
तुझ में मग दिखता है.
तुझे मग दिखता है, फोटो नहीं दिख रही हुआ.
लिटरली, मतलब और ब्रांडिंग इन केस.
Yeah. अब कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ते. But again, WhatsApp से high five and thank you for being on the show,
Pleasure.
brother.
God bless you and congratulations for everything that you're doing.
Thank you.
What I really enjoy about you is you're very sincere. I actually watch all your episodes and you have that childlike ability and that greed also to have a chat, have a laugh. हंसो यार.
Yeah.
देख तेरी हंसी कितनी अच्छी है. I love people जो है ना दांत खोल के हंसते हैं. वो लोगों ने बंद कर दिया. हंसो यार, खुल के
Most
हंसो.
important.
या खुल के हंसो.
चल, thank you, brother.
Thank you, buddy. God
And
bless you.
wish you God bless and wish you all the luck.